Cancer patients want to know about their condition and avoid unnecessary suffering. Healthcare providers want to improve the quality of their services while cutting costs. Provivox helps both of these groups. We compare the relative expression of several protein biomarkers in a quick and affordable test to determine where the cancer is in its life cycle and predict patient survival. Until now, specialists could only rely on pathological characteristics of the tumor or genetic analysis. These are reliable methods, but leave a fraction of patients uncertain concerning the right path to follow. With the assistance of molecular biology, a new era in cancer screening is about to arrive. At Provivox, our objective is to inform breast cancer patients about the risk of cancer relapse based on the biological characteristics of the tumor, a gradation which allows a better choice of treatment. Our corporation is lean, requires a relatively short period of research and development before we approach clinical trials, and has the potential to expand into delivering prognostic tests for other cancers if our pilot project is successful. In a time where money is short, and where governments seek to control healthcare costs, smarter medicine is a smart investment.